Indian Share Market Outlook for May 7, 2024. Share Market Outlook India. Point 1. Dr. Reddy's Q4 results, net profit up 36% to Rs 1,307 crore, Rs 40 share dividend declared. Dr. Reddy's Q earlier to Rs 7,083 crore. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories reported better than expected net profit of Rs 1,307 crore for the March quarter of FY24, up 36% from the year-ago period. A money control poll of 8 brokerages 91 crore. The Hyderabad-based pharma firm reported a profit of Rs 960 crore in the same quarter of the previous year. Revenue came in at Rs 7,083 crore, up 12% from the year-ago quarter of Rs 6,297 crore, 7,136 crore. Share Market Outlook India. Point 2. Dr. Reddy's Labs CFO Parag Agarwal to retire on July 31, MV Narasimham elevated. Agarwal will also cease to be a member of the Management Council and Senior Management Person 31, 2024. MV Narasimham is currently DY Chief Financial Officer of the company. Pharma major Dr. Reddy's Laboratories on May 7 said that its current Chief Financial Officer CFO Parag Agarwal will be stepping down from the post after July 31, to expand his involvement in philanthropy. MV Narasimham, currently DY CFO, will take over the post from August 1, 2024. He is presently also a member of the Management Council and senior management personnel of the company. Agarwal will be working the lives of the most vulnerable segment of the society, the voiceless animals, the pharma major said in a statement. He will also cease to be a member of the Management Council and senior management personnel of the company and will continue to be available with till August 31, 2024. Share market industries, execution of volume growth guidance remains crucial. Demand trajectory will remain key driver for top-line growth. Share Market Outlook India. Point 4. Vedanta's Anil Agarwal bats for green metals amid steep rise of gold prices, investors rush for. They are fundamental to new age technologies, whether those related to energy transition, solar PV cells, batteries, EVs, or in technologies related to artificial intelligence, advanced semiconductors. Vedanta chairperson Anil Agarwal has urged investors to consider lesser popular green metals for their most steady and steep rise. Taking to X, the industrialist said that metals like copper, aluminum, zinc, and silver are fundamental to new age technologies and support a climate-friendly world. You must have seen that the price of gold is at an all-time high. This is a cycle, from my gold in times of geopolitical and global economic uncertainty, Agarwal said. But the really amazing, less noticed story is actually emerging in metals like copper, aluminum, zinc, and silver, all of which are critical minerals. They are fundamental to new age technologies, whether those related to EVs or in technologies related to artificial intelligence, advanced semiconductors. The Vedanta boss added that not only can these metals be recycled, using the latest technology, but they can also be mined without damaging the environment. Moreover, the demand for these green metals is growing, he said. India, as the world's fastest growing economy which is expanding its manufacturing capabilities, needs to ensure that we are self-sufficient in all these critical minerals. More exploration and simpler clearances are the key. AAPSABNE Dekahaga, yes, cycle high. From my long experience, I have seen investors rush for gold at times of geopolitical and global economic uncertainty. Share Market Outlook India. Point 5. How this fintech CEO went from Forbes 30 under 30 to a billionaire in under a decade. Ankur made net worth of 1.2 billion. He was on the Forbes 30 under 30 consumer tech list in 2015. Ankur launched Built in 2019. On Jane's trajectory from being recognized on Forbes 30 Under 30 list to ascending the ranks to become a billion. This ascent is Jane's startup, Built, which has redefined the dynamics of rental payments, transforming them from expenses into rewarding opportunities for renters across the country. Jane, 34, first garnered attention as a co-founder of Human, an app revolutionizing phone contact. His entrepreneurial acumen was further highlighted by the acquisition of Human by Tinder in 2016, followed by a role as vice president of product at Tinder. It was during this tenure that Jane's focus on enhancing user experiences and leveraging technology to address consumer pain points. 2019. Unlike traditional rental payment systems, Built introduces a new concept rewarding renters with significant points and contributing positively to their credit scores when they pay rent using Built's credit card. What sets Built apart is its commitment to eliminating the transaction fees that typical India. 6. Specialty chemicals business faces high competition, dumping from Chinese players, SRF Ltd. The management believes that recovery will pick up pace in the second half of FY25. SRF Ltd reported a 24% year-on-year ₹122 crore for the fourth quarter of FY24. Announcing the fifth quarterly profit decline in a row, chemicals maker SRF Ltd on May 7 reported that its specialty chemicals division has faced challenges due to both dumping and intense competition from Chinese manufacturers. The sector saw a downturn due to Chinese companies dumping the Indian and global markets with refrigerants, resulting in pricing pressures and a decrease in sales volumes. However, the management expressed hope that things will get better in FY25. While the general performance has been weak, we have quarter, as we had envisaged. We believe that this recovery will pick up pace in the second half of FY25, said Chairman and Managing Director Ashish Bharat Ram. During the quarter, the specialty chemicals business continued to face headwinds due to inventory rationalization by certain FY24. In addition, a lot of capacity has come up in China, leading to pricing pressure on intermediate products. Share Market Outlook India. 7. TVS Motors Q4 Preview, net profit may soar 33% on year on robust volume growth. Motor EBITDA is expected to expand to Rs 893 crore in January-March, up over 31% on year. TVS Motors shares have rallied 61% in the last 1 year. TVS Motor Company, India's third largest two-wheeler player, with volumes and product mix boosting revenue, and better pricing and benign commodity costs helping profitability. The Apache bike maker is expected to see its fiscal fourth quarter net profit rise to Rs 545 crore, up 33% from the year-ago period. Revenue from operations is expected to jump 21% to Rs 8,004 crore during the same period. Share Market Outlook India. 8. Hot stocks, pick Tata Steel, Oil India, Tamil Nadu newsprint for healthy returns up to 14% in cap and micro-cap indices. Traders should remain cautious in those segments. Share Market Outlook India. 9. Daily Voice. This fund manager is upbeat on capital goods, financials, capex, rate cut the next big play. The markets are for cuts, which explains the buoyancy in sectors like metals, real estate, and automobiles, says Anirudh Garg. Anirudh Garg is the partner and fund manager at Invasat PMS. The markets are forward-looking, and seem to have factored in potential interest rate cuts, which explains the Anirudh Garg, partner and fund manager at Invasat PMS told Money Control in an interview. Among sectors, he is optimistic about the capital goods and financial sectors. The capital goods sector is poised for growth as the investment cycle takes an upward turn. Further, capital expenditure and those sensitive to interest rate changes may become attractive, said the fund manager with more than 15 years of experience in stock market research. Here is an edited excerpt of the interaction. Share Market Outlook India. Point 11. Brokerages raise Hindalco estimates. Brokerages reiterated their bullish stance Hindalco, saying that they find valuation attractive and growth prospects improving. The stock of Hindalco has surged over 12% in the past 1 month, outpacing 0.3% decline in the benchmark Nifty 50 index. Focus on May 7 after wholly owned subsidiary Novelis reported strong Q4 FY24 numbers. Brokerages reiterated their bullish stance on the counter, saying that they find the valuation attractive and growth prospects improving. Jefferies shared a buy call on Hindalco, raising "We raise FY2526 EPS by 2 to 3% and see valuations attractive, at 6.1x FY25 EV/EBITDA," the brokerage firm said. Share Market Outlook India. Point 14. Morgan Stanley puts overweight tag on Titagarh. Morgan Stanley views the freight segment as a cash cow for Titagarh, while the passenger business is a new growth engine. Over the past 1 year, the firm's shares gained 32%. International brokerage Morgan Stanley initiated coverage on Titagarh Rail Systems with an overweight rating revival in the Indian Railways. Morgan Stanley issued a target price of Rs 1,285 per share, which indicates an upside of around 24%. The valuation is 35x FY26 PE, which Morgan Stanley said is fair given strong earnings. At 9.20 am, shares of Titagarh Rail Systems were quoting Rs 1094.2 on the NSE, higher by 6%. Share Market Outlook India. Point 15. Analysts turn bullish on Marico after Q4 results. Marico but raised the target price to Rs 610 per share. Analysts anticipate an improvement in growth trajectory for FY25, driven by accelerated volume growth and pricing-led strategies. Marico management is optimistic about growth revival in FY25. Healthy volume growth. Marico shares surged around 10% on May 7 as the company's quarterly numbers promoted rating upgrades for the stock. Nuvama has upgraded the stock to buy while Citi raised its target price on the stock. Motilal has a buy rating on the stock with a target price of, as of May 7, Bloomberg showed 31 analysts have a buy rating on Marico stock, 8 have a hold rating and 3 have a sell call. Marico reported a consolidated net profit of Rs 320 crore in Q4, up 5% from the year-ago period. Its revenue in 278 crore. EBITDA was slight miss at Rs 442 crore. Although tepid, these numbers were overall in line with analyst expectations. Yet, the bullishness among analysts stems from the overall turn in the demand scenario as well as the commitment to share. Share Market Outlook India. Point 16. IGL Q4 results. Net profit rises 9% to 433 crore, revenue down 2% YoY, dividend declared. IGL Q4 results, net profit rose 9% to 4th Limited Gas Station Mint. Share Market Outlook India. Point 17. NSE Board recommends 4:1 bonus shares, 90 per share dividend. Declares strong Q4 results 2024. NSE is yet to declare record dates for the bonus shares. The National Stock Exchange NSE Board has recommended issuing bonus shares in a 4:1 ratio. The board also recommended a 90 per share dividend to the eligible shareholders of the company. NSE informed the Indian stock market exchanges about these developments on Friday. However, NSE is yet to declare record dates for the bonus shares and dividend. In Q4 FY24, NSE reported a 20% YoY rise in profit to 2488 crore. The NSE informed about the 90 per share proposal in a recommended a dividend of 90 per share pre-bonus for the year ending FY24 amounting to payout of 4455 crore.